texture.
Yes, a lift is exclusive. You'll come.
Yeah, these are.
The gated lift.
Lift. Yes. Yeah, I want to M for some reason. This is the Crossing Shopping Centre complex in Christchurch Central, and it's lift tour time! And first go to Litchfield Street Carpark, which is connected to Ballentynes department store, which is also connected to the Crossing Shopping Centre, which is why part of this lift tour. And all of this here are sadly some Schindler 3300s. And first go to one of the side lifts, which is the north side lift, I think. Which floor?
4, thank you.
Door closing. Elevator is going up. Floor 4. Door opening. Floor 4. Door closing. Elevator is going up.
This is a pretty nice condition. Yeah, and at least this one goes decent distance, like 8 floors.
Floor 8.
We got 8.
Door opening. Floor 8. Door closing. Elevator is going down.
This is actually pretty fast, but it's still a flipping 3300.
Ground floor.
Yeah, it's like floors 1 trade, but to call it up all floor 1, it's very interesting.
Door opening. Ground floor.
And yeah, that's it. And now to the south lift, which does not go to floor 8. And yeah, here's another lift in the Litchfield Street car park. It's the same as the last one, so that's interesting. It's the lift.
Ground floor.
Oh, doesn't go as high.
Door closing. Elevator is going up.
This does not go as high.
Floor 7.
We got 7. Yeah, this is pretty fast for the number of floors, but
Door opening. Floor 7.
7, yeah, I'll also there, so let's go round.
Door closing. Elevator is going down.
There's only one of these left there.
Ground floor.
Yeah, ground.
Door opening. Ground floor.
And yeah, here will be two so cut there. And now to the main Carpark lifts, which I was set off to 3300s. And sadly, I did not have enough time, which means I did not get a good video of these lifts. But thankfully, these lifts are the same as the first lift you saw in this video, so we did not really gain anything from this. Seriously, this is the second lift set at Litchfield Street Car Park. Oh, and that goes to Ballentynes department store, so very interesting. These are a set of 2 rather than whatever set that was. Here's the lift.
Ground floor.
Yeah, we won't go as far on this one, we'll only go between
Door
soon ground
closing.
because they're the
Elevator
same.
is going up.
Sorry, this is a quick ride because they're the same as the last lifts, and also I don't have much time, so
Floor 2.
yeah.
Door opening. Floor 2. Door closing. Ground floor.
Yeah, ground.
Door opening. Ground floor.
Watch it go.
Door closing.
That's. And now into Ballentynes department store itself, and along to the first lift, which, well, it is not actually a Schindler 3300. It is a nice, old Otis. It has been modernised by Otis in the 90s, but this lift is still really nice and fairly original, which is nice because most of the lifts here are mainly brand new and mainly Schindler 3300s. Let's ride it! Okay, here is the lift in the Ballentynes department store. It is Otis. Used to be an old Otis before modernised by Otis. That's because I pressed the button to go down. So yeah, this used to be an old Otis modernised by Otis. We got lower ground. Yeah, it's non-existent floor. Going up. Here we're at 1. And oh, you can go. We're going down to ground.
Yeah, are you coming out?
Yeah, oh god. Let's get this thing indicator up here and yes, just cut. Come back to the left. Switches. Yeah. Probably did used to be a floor. Ground floor, that's pretty interesting. Yeah, that obviously reveals it used to be an Otis lift, so that's very interesting. Yeah. And gentlemen, you see there's no floor 2. Used to be a floor 2, now there's not. That's bizarre. However, this lift is now traction, or maybe used to be a hydraulic converted to traction lift? I don't know. That's it. And yeah, here we have 1 2 escalators, which are some old Otis escalators actually. Pretty nice. Yeah, these are trying to trouble me so I don't get a copyright strike. I don't have any escalators that go down to lower ground, so we won't do those. And yeah, then we'll do the and yep. And yeah, this escalator's going up, practically the same as the other one, so nothing that special. So let's go through those try. Yeah, you really do get the older escalators because of, well, you obviously get it. And now there was also a new section in the Ballentynes department store, which was built after the old section was built. And sadly, I did not get enough time to look at it, and I missed it completely. And here is the lift to Mid-Sea Centre. Mid-Sea Centre is actually next to Ballentynes department store, but Mid-Sea Centre was closed. But thankfully, the lift is a Schindler 3400, but has the older FIGI fixtures. And in the QSF house is another lift I could not get to, which is connected to the next lift in this video. But thankfully, it is another 3400. And the lift in that office building that I didn't get into, which is actually in the crossing itself, is, well, you probably already know what it is. This is the, oh no, but in Bank of China. This has got yet another one of these Schindlers.
Elevator is going up.
Huh, about 2018, 1000 degrees 13 persons.
Floor 2.
We got 2.
Door is opening. Floor 2. Doors are closing. Elevator is going down.
We got ground.
Ground floor. Door is opening. Ground floor.
Go. And look at this gap. That is bad. That's it. And now to the lift opposite, which is the same as the last one. It goes to more floors though. Go. This is into Well House, which is another Schindler. As well. No public access. Here's the lift. It's the same as the last one, so not really that special. We are free. Not going down to the basement because I don't know what's there. I don't think we can go down there. We are grounds. There's nothing in this can just really use. First thing, let's watch it go. And that's it. And the escalators in the Crossing Shopping Centre are, well, there are some Schindler escalators. Oh well. We'll take a look at these Schindler escalators. And we'll take a look at the lift. Obviously they're still building a few shops here, so that's very interesting. Yeah, could actually so. Oh, I'll be down soon. And that's it. And the main lift in the shopping centre is, well, it is another Schindler, but this lift is a Schindler 5500 rather than a 3500. And it goes between fully floors. When I went, the third floor was still under construction. And instead of putting the button over there, they actually put it to look like it's an invisible floor rather than an actual floor, but in this case, floor 2. So, yeah, that was a very interesting decision. And let's ride the lift. This lift is also glass. Here is the main lift, it is.
What are you taking a picture of?
Oh, I'm an elevator enthusiast, so I'm not gonna film you, so yep. Have a nice day. Got a 1. Yeah, yeah, sounds like it's going to be a 4-2, just the floor's not open, so let's watch it go. And that's it. And now to the car park lifts, which are actually in like the Crossing Carpark connected to the shopping centre. And despite these lifts go like higher than the 51 last video, these lifts are 3300s. That's weird. And also, these are like a set of 3500s as well, so they should have gone with the 5500s. And also, these lifts do go down to ground floor, but it's denoted as B in the lifts because the ground floor is actually an after-hours exit. What is ridiculous and stupid design? These should have actually been the main lifts going down to the ground floor rather than having that 5500. It would have made much more sense. But yeah, let's look at these lifts. These lifts are not really that interesting. These are some lifts and... yeah. Oh, it's this arrangement again, how like is that? Yeah, these are some... yeah, these are actually 3300s. Annoyingly. Yeah, they're 3300s. Oh, after our excellences on B, we won't go there. 1,105 kgs or 15 persons. Where that the main lift is. Won't go down after our exit. Got 7. Yeah, I think B's. Actually, B could be unlocked. Ooh. Yeah, this isn't like the crossing car park, so not really that interesting. And yeah, B's locked. It's only open for after hours, my dudes. Got 1. Again to use the lift. And go. That's it. And now, across from these lifts is the service lift, which is a Litchfield 500. But sadly, I missed it! Oh dear. But yeah, YouTube user InterLift has actually managed to film this lift, but as far as I can tell, the lift is actually locked off on the inside, so yeah. But yeah, if you want to see what the lift looks like, go check out InterLift's video of it in the description. And now to the next lift, which is a Litchfield 500 in H&M. This lift actually has mirrored walls and 2 staff-only floors, which were sadly locked. Let's ride it. Okay, this is the lift in H&M. Let's try talking the music. Actually, I'll cut it. Let's see. What? Oh, we'll just go to 0 then. Yeah, inside must be. Oh, right. I get it. It's a weird floor, yes. Mirrored lift. I'm a face for the old time, right? 1,200 kgs or 23 persons. It's 5,500. Let's see. Oh, I think you're going to 1. Oh, no, that's seen that before. And you'll cut here so I don't get copyrighted to any sort of people. And that's it. We have some escalators in H&M. We'll probably have to first take these. Are actually pretty nice and lifts mirrored. Sadly, well, actually, yes, those are not mirrored. I'm going to talk about music so I don't get copyright strike. This one lives in the Crossing shopping centre in Christchurch, so a lot of Schindlers. So let's go up like so. Oh, there's like a maximum over there, but that's not part of it. And here we're back at 1, and that's it. And now to the lifts in the ASB Centre, which can be accessed from the Christchurch, not from the Crossing shopping centre. And these lifts are more Schindler 3300s, and these aren't really that interesting. These lifts do even go down to the ground floor, but they go out in like the entrance to the offices rather than the crossing itself. Okay, this is ASB House. Oh god, not again. More Schindlers. Yeah, more Schindler lifts. And, well, these are the only ones, so let's go. Yeah, Schindlers, and that just goes to the stairs. Yeah, these are technically part of the Christchurch shopping centre because they're linked, so that's why they're in this video. Here we got 1. Here's the 1 lift. 1 lift. And let's see, can we go anywhere? Let's go to 3. Well, what am I trying to say? kgs. Yeah, 3,300. What do you expect for a 4-story building? Here we are, 3. Yeah, we won't go down to clowns. '17 is when they were in service, so I guess that's cool. Here, 1. And yeah, that's it.